Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down fun, functional, and sometimes fantastically ridiculous products from around the world. Today, we're diving into something absolutely delightful and arguably one of the cutest things you'll ever add to your small pet's wardrobe. Let me introduce you to the Silkfly 12 PC's hamster hats, or as I'd call them, the best doll hat set out there. Whether you're going for a party look, a seasonal vibe, or just a photo-worthy outfit for your bearded dragon, there's a hat in here for that. Each one is designed with a different theme: cowboy, witch, straw, beret, the list goes on. It's like a runway show straight out of the animal kingdom. Now, let's talk about size and comfort. These hats are small. They're designed for tiny heads. Think hamsters, mice, chinchillas, small lizards, and baby reptiles. But here's the cool part. They're made with soft, pet-safe materials. That means they're light enough not to bother your pet, but sturdy enough to hold their shape. And most of them come with elastic bands or adjustable straps so they stay in place without being too tight. These hats are great for dressing up your pet for holidays, birthdays, or even just a casual Sunday photo shoot. The set opens up an entire world of fun possibilities, especially if you're active on pet social media or you just love spoiling your tiny companion. Let's get real for a second. Do pets need hats? Probably not. But do you need to see your guinea pig dressed like a cowboy at least once in your life? Absolutely. These hats are whimsical, harmless, and weirdly satisfying to own. Plus, because you're getting 12 different styles, there's a lot of creative freedom. You're not just buying pet accessories, you're investing in pet fashion. One thing I really appreciate is that Silkfly didn't go cheap on variety. Each hat looks different and distinct, no repeats, no filler. The colors are bright, the designs are clear, and you'll find both novelty and charm in the mix. This isn't some bulk pack of identical caps. It's a curated wardrobe for the most stylish creatures in your home. If you're thinking about getting a fun gift for a pet lover, this set checks all the boxes. It's affordable, unexpected, and guaranteed to get laughs and likes. Plus, it makes for a perfect prop set for pet photographers or rescue shelters doing adoption campaigns. To wrap this up, the Silkfly 12 PC's hamster hat set isn't just the best doll hat collection. It's a bold statement in the world of pet accessories. Whether you're decking out your pet for a party or just want to brighten up your feed with a hamster in a party hat, this pack delivers. That's it for today's review. If you want more quirky, creative, and downright entertaining product critiques, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. I'm your host at Product Critique, and until next time, keep your pets fashionable and fabulous.